Okay, everyone. I've been meaning to do this for quite a while, but one of my fog light bulbs went out, so I went ahead and bought some online. They were about, I believe, $3 on eBay. They are number 881 type of bulb, kind of funky, but I took one out already, so you can kind of see what it looks like. I would suggest to unplug the fog light bulb first before you can pull it, because there's a little plastic tab that kind of stops you from turning the whole thing without unplugging it. So that plug is only, you just kind of pinch on this on the sides and it'll release, kind of wiggle it a little bit. Let me see if I can get a plug picture. See if I can find that darn thing. But as you can see, that's where the fog light will be. The plug is right here. Like I said, you just kind of pinch it from the sides like that, and it'll release. Just make sure you don't lose this waterproof seal deal. But yeah, it'll be on the same as the other side. I was able to just release it. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but the plug's right there. Like I said, just kind of pinch it on the side and twist the bulb counterclockwise, and it'll come off. Okay, so it's finally nighttime. I was actually waiting for it to get dark so I can show you how the new fog lights are. I did buy bright yellow bulbs, so let's go ahead and turn it on so you can see what it looks like. Obviously that's the highs. Let me go turn on the fogs. Let me go outside. So far, none. Let's go turn it on. There it is. It's the bright yellow. I will replace the low beams. I will order some LEDs or HIDs and give them a try. Other than that, like I said, it's pretty easy. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes, and it was replaced. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a message.